Nobody is seeing this from the point of view that because of Mirdul and Basir, I'm out of the show, because Basir didn't save me and Mirdul was not counting well. I feel like it's better to leave this show when people likes you rather than leaving when people hate you. I know Basir said that he would change and he would give up his clothes if I will go back. And I would like to.
Natalia, everyone is calling you Big Boss Queen. I just heard Big Boss Queen. How does it feel to call a Big Boss Queen?
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. First of all, I didn't expect that much love from people outside. I thought that just 3 weeks is not enough to be recognized, and I'm very surprised and very thankful to all people to give me so much love.
The journey was small, but the love is very high. How do you take it? As a good side or a bad side?
I feel like it's better to leave this show when people likes you rather than leaving when people hate you.
Ridul is missing you. I guess I was seeing the show. How do you want to react on it? The friendship is looking very good.
I wonder if he is missing me because I think he didn't say anything about that. I know Basir said that he would change and he would give up his clothes if I will go back. And I would like to see that, to be honest. Obviously, it was very rapid that I left, but I'm gonna see them when they go, like when they will be done with the show. So for now, I'm just keeping fingers crossed for everyone in the house so they stay the longest.
If you want to go on a dinner date, would you like to take Basir or Mridul? You have to choose one.
You know, nobody is seeing this from the point of view that because of Mirdul and Basir, I'm out of the show, because Basir didn't save me and Mirdul was not counting well. So nobody is actually taking care of me and my feelings. So I think I will need to see when they out if they will be sorry for what happened.
And Tanya, tell us something about that girl because she's getting viral. You said I'm not a drama queen on my last when we had a chat yesterday. Tell us something. Is she fake or real?
Who? You know, Tanya can be a queen of the Lulu for some people, but she's also a nice girl. So I think we need to see her when she's out, and she will invite all the cameras and press to her house to show wherever she's having her 200 saris and 150.
She carried. Have you were there? Do you think she has carried more than 300 sarees?
In the Big Boss house, she had 7 containers of saris. So she really had the sari for every day. And she told me she's changing every day and she's not repeating her saris. So I don't know how many saris she's owning, to be honest. Thank you so much.